Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Around the House. If you want to see me do the maintenance on this Serene Life portable AC heating system, stay tuned. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the vlog. And what you're looking at is a Serene Life room air conditioner, portable air conditioner, and this is a follow-up on the, we've had this thing probably 2 years now, and it shoots air right over our bed, and it's been perfect, no issues whatsoever. Just set it for the temp you want, and then you can switch it over. You can switch it over from AC to heat, and you adjust your fans, and tells you exactly how much, what the temperature is in the room. Well, it's that time. I looked at walking around doing things in the house, and I looked down and I noticed that we had a buildup of dust on the vents. So what you do is you pull that cover off, and it's got a micro web there that catches, big dust, and you've got your side ones that catches everything else. That one there, and then you got that one there, and what they do is they slide into the side here. So that's where I'm at right now. Got the vacuum out, get that vacuum, clean the back side of it. We live in an old farmhouse, so dust is abundant, as well as we have 8 Shih Tzu dogs. So thank God they don't shed like other dogs do. So anyway, and then you have your big air tube, and that runs right out the door, or out a window once you set it up. And there you go. But you're still gonna have to maintain it. Nothing in life is free without some sort of maintaining. So let's get this backed out, get it clean, and I'll be back. All right, what I wound up doing is taking it downstairs and using the shower head, spraying them out nice and clean. Now I backed them out, and that didn't do what I wanted to do, so just take it down, put it on the shower head, and spray them off. Same with this one, because it's got another pre-filter to it, and then I wiped it all down. So just waiting for those filters to dry, and then we can reinstall them. All right, let's finish this up. Slide that in there. You see little indentions here. Same one on the other side, because it's dual function here. There we go. All right. What are you doing? You got guides. All right. Okay. And then you got your air hose, your water hose. You're gonna have to put that back through there. It has to be lined up on that. Get it around your side of your hand. Back up. I think you've got lock down the bottom there. There we go. And just push it forward. You you got that system because you got the little handle here, and just pull it back, and it'll pull out. This has to go in a bucket for the condensation, and that's how that fits. We got this puppy here, back in here. Twist them out. Got 3 locks here. Straight up. Lock. There we go. All right. Locks in there. That's the way that sits. all nice and clean. Go back to power, and she'll automatically go to the temperature that you have it set. This one here, up, down, up. The other one down. We have it on cool. Speed is low. Punch your button here, high, and it's high, and then it'll kick into high. And go back to low. Now these, you see your vents here. Right now they're steady. That's what swing is. Punch the swing button, and then they'll fluctuate up and down, up and down. And then just set it where, hit it wherever you want, and it'll stop. This is your mode all the way across. Dry mode, fan only, and then you can change it over to heat. You can set it for a timer for it to automatically shut off. But I'll tell you, with us, just keep it running. It runs all night long. If you get it set where it needs, it'll automatically shut off. And then when it cools down below where you got it set, or it gets hotter than whatever you set, it'll re-kick in. So that's about it. And that is the Serene Life. And we've had this thing going on 2 years now, and I'll kick this on the end of that video that I did when we got it. What I did is I put it on that, put it out that window, and changed it around. But what I wound up doing is, because we wanted it out, I wanted it out there. I got some more heating, like 20 feet of that heating ducting, the same size as this, and taped it onto it, and then moved it over there. So you can, that's possible to do that way too. All right, so there we are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we will catch you on the next in the Crosby's Around the House.